Hello and welcome to the second preview video of ECDESIGN 4, and today I'm going to show you a little bit more of the graphical part, the 3D. And first of all, I'm just going to create a simple room layout, and if you want to see more on that, you can watch the first video on how to draw walls, etc. Then what I will do is I'll add some windows, and I have a test window that we work with. And what's brand new in the gap section is that you can actually change its dimensions. So I want this one to be 6 meters, and then I'll add another one that's just 6 meters again, just like that. And then we have two windows in place. And what I'll do is I'll also add an open wall over here, just like that. And this one I'm going to change, let's change the color on this wall. So A side I want to be black, B side I want to be blue, so we'll be able to see the difference. And then we'll also add a mirror to show you what will happen in real-time 3D. And we'll add it over here, just like that. And we'll also add some sample equipment. We'll add some strength equipment. And what you see here, when I drag it out, it's actually a real icon. It's not just a 2D outline. It's a real 3D scanned 2D icon. So you will be able to really easily see the product in top view. So it's much easier for you and the customer to know what you're looking at. We'll add another piece over there, just like that, just for the sample. And then I'm going to click the 3D button, and it will start my 3D walk. And I'm going to move around so you can see a little bit more clearly here. Products look much more realistic. You have shadow effects, sunlight, lamp effects in the ceiling. You can even change the sunlight, the direction in real time, and the strength of the sunlight. And if we walk around here, you see the walls look much sharper and realistic. You can have different color on each side of the wall. And if we move around here, you see that we have a mirror effect, which is kind of cool. The rendering process is different because now it's actually done on your computer, and it's super fast. It's a very fast process. All you do is you align your camera, you click the camera button, and it will open up your Explorer, your computer, and we'll call this image 1 image, and press save. And now the image was done. It only took 2 seconds. So if I open up my browser here, we can double click and have a look at it. So in just 2 seconds it generated a very high resolution image. This image is actually 2000 times 1200 pixels, which is almost twice the size of the old rendering. But now the rendering was done locally on your computer, and it just took me 2 seconds. Naturally, it might take a little bit longer, maybe 5 seconds if you're doing a very large layout, but it's so fast, so you don't have to wait for the rendering to come back. That rendering process that takes place in ECDESIGN 3. Now it's all done on your computer, very fast. If you're making a huge layout and you might be working on an older computer, you can actually, and you feel that the 3D experience is a little bit slow, what you can do in real time, you can open up the settings and you can hide different effects just to speed it up when you're walking around. But of course the rendering process, that local rendering, will always have all the effects turned on. And yeah, it looks pretty good. I hope you liked this second preview video, and please send us your comments, and if if you have any questions, just email us. Thank you very much.